Hello friends, welcome to the another Flutter tutorial. Today we are discussing about the final and constant keyword in Flutter. What is the final and constant in Flutter? So we open the dot pad, clicking on new page. Here we learn about the final and constant keyword. Uh, a final keyword and another is a constant keyword. Yeah. Uh, let's search on Google what is the final and constant keyword. What is the final keyword? Final and constant keyword in that. Keyword in that. So it can, what can it say? They declare the constant value that cannot be changed after the initialization. It means when we declare the value of the constant and final keyword, it cannot be changed after the declaration. And we cannot reassign the value. Use the variable computed for the runtime but cannot be reassigned. And the constant is a compile time to enhance performance and ensure immutability. Constant variable evaluate of the compile time. So here we can say that the final keyword considered is for a runtime and the constant keyword is considered at a compile time. It is for a runtime and constant it is for a compile time. Yeah, done. And one is another say that the final keyword is beside and inside the class. We can define the final keyword beside and inside the class, but we cannot define a beside the constant keyword. So I can define a one final keyword like first name, and one is another for a constant keyword is a kg equal to 1000. Yeah, but someone say it the my first name is changed to the Ami. So that page is a source error is showing left side, right side. The final variable first name can't be can only be set once. It means we cannot reassign the first name value. It can assign for a one time when we declare it. When we then we assign the value. So after that I reassign the kg when some mathematician is say the kg is not equal to 1000, kg is equal to 1000. So that pad is another time show the error. The constant variable can't be assigned a value. When it can say the when the constant variable declare, it can define a we can define its value. We cannot redefine the constant variable value. Constant variable can't be assigned a value. So after that, I think the final and constant are similar for the final and constant keyword are similar, but we can just say the constant is defined as a final, but we can't define final keyword as a constant keyword. Consider we can consider final variable as a constant variable, but we consider a constant variable as a final variable. So I think final and constant variable are similar. Most of them are similar. Yeah. In final keyword we can't assign a new value. It means we can assign it once. In constant variable we can't assign a new value. The error saying purpose is similar for the every time, so we can reassign new value for the final and constant variable. Yeah. This means the when we declare the constant, it is a constant for the whole program. Like we can define a pi value is 3.14, so it is a constant for the whole program and whole compilation time and runtime. And it is when we declare my name is Akshay, it is a fine, cannot be changed. So here is the same situation. It is a finite and it is a constant. Yeah. So today we are learn about the final and constant. So after that, it is mainly used for a memory allocation purpose. When we declare a final keyword, the compiler cannot assign a memory, allocate the memory, but we can define the constant variable. Compiler allocate the memory for the like a kg is for a memory allocate point.